The benefits of the CNC machine means that we're not having to hold lots of stock. Currently we use a press beam tool, which means that we have to make 6 months to 12 months worth of stock and find somewhere to store that. This allows us to work more of a just in time and make product as customers order it, ready to go out the door. So this machine here will really help us with our panels-based product. Anything wood-based, all of our panels have a hardboard backing on them, and that all needs replacing because your original panel will have been damaged in that time, and we get a lot of warping in there. It's really going to revolutionise the way that we work through our factory. We're also looking at developing new products, and this machine is going to help us with that too.